Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Hey, I don't know you, but I know you got tension in your neck.
How is your experience so far in this SMU competition?
Really fun and educational. I got to meet new friends and I become more socializable with people.
Like we said before, you guys can meet new friends and also gain experience from this camp.
We can know more knowledge, and we can also learn how to present a presentation, and also we socialize more.
It's been pretty great lately. I had a lot of experience about business in this camp. It's really good, and I also made a lot of new friends.
For me, it's very astonishing when I say that because it's you can discover a lot. You can meet a lot of new friends. You get a lot of new memories and experiences. So it's very fun.
Yeah, it is fun, and I think it's also very interesting. And I learned a lot of new skills about presentation in this journey.
I think SMU is a very interesting university. Before this, I wasn't really interested into business, and now I'm rethinking my decisions and I'm more interested in it. So it really pushed me to understand myself a bit more. And this competition overall has really given me so much more benefits, such as being more social with others. So now my friends have increased, and so I get to know a lot more people.
Okay, so for me, SMU is like, now that I experienced it and how they teach, it's like I feel like it's a really good school, because before I didn't really recognize SMU that much. I just knew that it was like a university in Singapore. I didn't know about the teaching, and I feel like this camp really helped me with all of my like non-academic skills, especially like socializing, because I thought when I first came here I wouldn't make a lot of friends, but it was quite the opposite.
This camp actually helped a lot for me because it actually made a lot of friends, and also it taught me a lot of skills, especially about SMU, on how SMU is really unique by the teamwork and everything. They really helped us to know more about SMU, and it actually made me want to go to SMU so much.
So what are some challenges that you faced in your respective group?
Time management and the sleeping time. For my group, it's more to teamwork and also time management skills.
The presentations, because it's hard for me to present well since I am not a good presenter.
Probably the biggest challenges was less of sleep.
For me, it's the language issue.
Well, just as an information, he's Chinese and the rest of us are Indonesians, but we can all speak English quite well.
Yeah.
And for me personally, I think it was the time, because we had very limited time, but that really pushed our ability to work efficiently.
In my opinion, it's like definitely time, but also tiredness, because with a full schedule and also like projects to chase, like it's very draining in my opinion.
Probably the challenges should be like me and Caitlin, we got sick halfway of the competition, so probably the health issues could be like a challenge for us. So like, oh, we haven't done the project, but we have to sleep early, take care of our health, and probably that can be the challenge for us.
Okay, so what do you learn from this whole program?
You have to manage your time well. Learn to be able to have a good presentation skill, and also like some of the content and when making a business idea, and also learn to be more socializable.
And from this camp, I learned how to communicate with each other.
because you will learn a lot of skills here, like presentation, socialize, how to socialize with people.
You can meet new friends from like all over the world, and then you will gain new knowledge, and it's life changing.
This camp will like change how you will view your future.
You shall see the unseen value.
Very true. That's our motto for our visit.
Yeah.
I would say take the risk, have fun, and try it out.
I would say get out of your comfort zone and just make a lot of friends because it will really help you in this camp.
I would say be you, because sometimes when you're different, it actually makes you the winner.
Dream Abroad เรียนต่อต่างประเทศใครๆก็ไปได้